My dear friends, guess what? We are visiting Dr. Jackie Chisikovsky in Mexico City. We're so delighted because I always mention Dr. Jackie Chisikovsky transferring to me the knowledge of the technique of Dr. Bass modified. And imagine this was many years ago. I will not tell you when because I will never reveal how many years we have of experience. However, now we are visiting with his permission, his office, to interview one of his patients that he changed his life and is willing to share with our audience in the United States and everywhere in the world that speak English to understand how important is preventive dentistry. Because in periodontal disease, you can lose the full mouth. As an endodontist, you can lose one tooth, which is bad. But as a periodontist, you lose the full mouth, then you need implants and a denture. How to avoid that? Simply by following preventive measures. But Uri is gonna let us know now what is his experience here with Dr. Jackie Chisikovsky. So Uri, thank you for this interview, and we're very grateful.
You're welcome, it's a pleasure, yeah.
How did you get to Dr. Chisikovsky?
Okay, my experience was like, long time ago, was like really in a bad situation. And it was bleeding because I was brushing my teeth, but I didn't use
The floss.
the floss,
The dental floss,
and it was kind of really embarrassed for me. And I came with the amazing doctor, and it was a long process. And I was in the beginning he was take care of me, and in the middle of the process he started showing me, and I was learning the process, how you need to brush your teeth, how you need to clean, and better cleaning your mouth.
Because you have a lot of bleeding, you said. Right?
Every morning I was wake up and my pillow was full of blood, because in the night usually is when you most bleed.
Yeah. Yes.
And now I'm perfect, and I'm smiling, and I was so comfortable, and and I finished. It was not an easy process, it was a long process, and now I'm really happy, and I'm enjoy, and it's an amazing doctor, how you say it.
And you are putting your part with the brushing and flossing technique that really impacted my life in a way I'm impacting my patients. And now you do that every night, no matter what. I mean, you can brush in the morning, afternoon, whatever instructions are, but at night.
I always, it's how it came, and it's part of the process, and you must do it, because if you don't put yourself and push it, nothing works in this life, no? Yeah. So you need to do it, my friends.
Thank you so much, Uri. I just want to let you know one thing. Many patients ask me, we have an episode, the producer has made me do these episodes that are amazing, where my gums are bleeding, what can I do? And like him, there's so many patients, no matter how much money they have, no matter how much education we have, it's about dental education that sometimes many of us doesn't follow up or don't push to our dentist to us. But if you have that kind of problem, always think as a periodontist. Dr. Jackie Chisikovsky, we will put his information later on the program, but right now, I want you to learn preventive dentistry is the way to go. Right, doctor?
Key of success. Prevention is the key of success.
Prevention is the key of success. And follow the technique. I have an episode 2. We may record it again if there's any question. Maybe Dr. Jackie can make an episode of that. And with that, I want to say thank you. Watch our YouTube channel, Instagram, or TikTok. And give us a like if you like it. I know we're going to change your life. Thank you.